Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? So today we're going to be doing lemongrass chicken. Okay, for those who are not familiar, that is a Vietnamese dish, and I'm gonna try to twerk it just to my style a little bit. So in case that somebody is Vietnamese, I'm so sorry that I mess up your dish, but this is the way I'm gonna do it today. So it's gonna be chicken. Okay, if you want breast, go for it, but I find the dark meat to be a little bit more juicier when you cook it. Lemongrass, a little bit of sugar. This is monk fruit sugar. Ginger, shallot, and garlic. Scallion and red pepper. Now the red pepper is optional. If you don't like spicy, just don't use it completely. All right, so let's begin. Okay, just set it aside. Okay. Let's go to garlic. All right, so next we're gonna do scallions, okay? We're gonna use the whole scallions on this one, okay? We're gonna cut from here, well actually the end obviously get cut off. So from here to here, it's gonna be, we're gonna cut it into pieces, and that's gonna be for the marinade. And then from the green part, it's gonna be for the garnish at the end for the chicken. Next, red pepper. All right, finally, we're going to do some shallots. All right, so now we're all set, okay? I forgot to name out a couple of the other ingredients. You're gonna need white pepper, fish sauce, and soy sauce. First, add all your ingredients in, okay? It's ginger, garlic, the white scallions, along with the shallot. Add them in. White pepper. Fish sauce. Sorry, unfortunately, I don't know the ingredients. I eyeball it. Okay, so eyeball it for yourself, I guess. I'm sorry. Okay, sugar. All right, once after that, just mix it up. You want to mix it good, okay? Make sure you mix it well, because that's gonna go with the chicken. A little bit of oil, okay? Whatever you prefer, peanut, olive, okay? Avocado. I have olive oil today. I'm using olive oil. Finally, soy sauce. Okay, mix it a little more. Now, this is the main ingredient. For those people who are not familiar with lemongrass, okay, this is what it looks like. Now, we basically only want, okay, from a lemongrass of this, okay, really from here to the end. We want the tender part of the lemongrass. So, okay, we want to make sure to cut this, okay. Okay, once it's all minted up, you want to just add this into your sauce. Mix everything up, okay? We want to add these chickens in to marinate, okay? Just place all the, whatever amount of pieces you want in there. Okay, and just mix it up. Just mix it good. Once we mix these chickens with the sauce, okay, let it sit. Okay, usually we want to make let it sit overnight. If you don't have that time or luxury, okay, to do it the night before, don't worry about it. Okay, but I do recommend marinating this overnight, and then the next day take it out, and then we're gonna put it into the fryer or into the air fryer. So we're back. Okay, this was just been marinating. I'm gonna say about like a few hours, okay? Unfortunately, I don't have that much time today, so I only marinate it for a few hours. When it's really marinated, you'll see the color change in the meat and stuff. Like really, it gets darkened because of the soy sauce and everything. All right, so I just preheated add a little more oil. We don't, you know what? This is already too much. You don't really need that much because the fat from the chicken is going to give out a lot more oil than before. So don't worry about needing to add that much oil into it. All right, so let's add the chicken in. Okay, we want to place the skin side down first. I gauge it by looking at the meat itself, okay? If you don't know by gauging how you're supposed to look at it, okay? It's 155 degrees to 165 degrees interior for the meat to be done, okay? So that's a little advice for you. It took me a little bit to get used to the fact that I look and I know when it's done, okay? You might not know that. So, all right, so if you need it, I have a thermometer right here. So make sure it's about 155 to 165 degrees. You don't need to go up that high to 165. I would say it's somewhere around that point, okay? Like 160, probably the real medium, the real marker there. All right, so I'm gonna keep this aside and we'll do it later in a little bit. All right, so the next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the sauce for this chicken. Really simple ingredients, okay? Fish sauce, okay. Here's the thing, I use the Red Boat fish sauce because it does not have sugar in it, okay? Unfortunately, my mother-in-law likes to use the one that has sugar in it, so I use two different styles. So when you use a fish sauce, make sure to look for the certain brand that does not have sugar in it. I would say half a cup of fish sauce, okay? Sugar, I don't know. It's up to your liking, how sweet you like it. And a cup of water. Okay, we want to add the chopped red pepper in and some chopped garlic in. All right, guys. So, like I said before, we're gonna do two versions. Okay, we're gonna pan fry this and also air fry this. So, for those that are limited in time, that needs like like want to do everything quick and stuff, this is the way to go right here. This is my best friend. Okay, when I needed to get everything going. So, let's just in 370 degrees, okay? And this will be for 25 minutes, okay, to 28, depending how big the size of the chicken that you're adding in. Okay, so let's get it going. Now, so right now, I want to get the skin crispy, but after that, we're gonna turn it over and then we're really gonna cook it. Make sure I have a good stir, okay? All right, I hope you enjoy my dish. I'll see you again, okay? Bye, everybody.